Hey everyone, welcome. In today's guided meditation, we're starting on a journey of personal healing and self-love. Together, we'll explore affirmations that will gently guide you towards deeper acceptance and compassion for yourself. So get comfortable, take a deep breath, and let's begin this beautiful journey together. I acknowledge my past wounds and embrace them as part of my journey, allowing myself to heal and grow stronger. I release any lingering pain or resentment, making space for forgiveness and understanding within my heart. I gently nurture my inner child, offering love and compassion for any past hurts or unmet needs. I recognize my resilience and strength, celebrating the challenges I have overcome and the lessons I have learned. I embrace my imperfections, knowing they make me unique and beautiful in my own way. I release any self-judgment or criticism, choosing instead to focus on my positive qualities and potential. I honor my emotions, allowing myself to feel and express them authentically without fear or shame. I trust my intuition and inner wisdom, allowing them to guide me towards my highest good. I forgive myself for any past mistakes or shortcomings, understanding that I am always learning and evolving. I am worthy of love, respect, and happiness, regardless of my past or present circumstances. I release any negative self-talk or limiting beliefs, replacing them with empowering affirmations. I am open to receiving healing energy from the universe, allowing it to flow through me and restore my well-being. I prioritize self-care and make time for activities that nourish my mind, body, and soul. I embrace change and transformation, knowing that they are necessary for my growth and evolution. I create healthy boundaries in my relationships, ensuring that my needs are met and respected. I acknowledge my past achievements and celebrate my progress, no matter how small. I am grateful for the lessons I have learned from my challenges, knowing they have made me stronger. I choose to focus on the present moment, releasing any worries about the past or future. I am committed to my personal growth and development, continuously striving to become the best version of myself. I release any feelings of guilt or shame, replacing them with self-compassion and understanding. I embrace vulnerability and allow myself to be seen and heard authentically. I trust the process of healing, knowing that it takes time and patience. I am open to receiving help and guidance from others, recognizing that I don't have to do it all alone. I celebrate my unique gifts and talents, sharing them with the world with confidence and joy. I love and accept myself unconditionally, just as I am, with all my strengths and weaknesses. I am worthy of love, kindness, and respect, both from myself and others. I prioritize my well-being and make choices that support my physical, emotional, and mental health. I am proud of my accomplishments and celebrate my successes, big and small. I speak kindly to myself, using words of encouragement and affirmation. I forgive myself for any past mistakes and choose to focus on my growth and potential. I set healthy boundaries in my relationships and prioritize my own needs. I am deserving of happiness, abundance, and success in all areas of my life. I trust my intuition and make decisions that align with my values and desires. I practice gratitude daily, appreciating the good things in my life and the blessings that surround me. I nurture my body with healthy food, exercise, and rest, honoring its needs and limitations. I embrace my unique beauty and radiance, recognizing that I am a divine creation. I release any comparison to others, knowing that I am on my own unique path. I am compassionate towards myself, offering understanding and forgiveness when I make mistakes. I surround myself with positive influences and supportive people who uplift and inspire me. I make time for self-care and prioritize activities that bring me joy and fulfillment. I am confident in my abilities and trust my potential to achieve my dreams. I choose to focus on my strengths and celebrate my unique gifts and talents. I am deserving of all the good things that life has to offer. I am grateful for the lessons I have learned from my past experiences, knowing they have shaped me into the person I am today. I am open to receiving love, abundance, and happiness in all its forms. I am worthy of fulfilling relationships that nourish and support my growth. I am committed to my self-love journey and choose to prioritize my well-being every day. I am a beautiful, powerful, and resilient being capable of achieving anything I set my mind to. I am loved, I am worthy, and I am enough just as I am. I am open to receiving abundance and prosperity in all areas of my life, knowing that I deserve to thrive. I trust the divine timing of my life, believing that everything is unfolding perfectly for my highest good. I am a magnet for positive experiences and attract loving and supportive relationships into my life. I am grateful for my body and all that it does for me, treating it with kindness and respect. I am capable of achieving my goals and dreams, taking inspired action towards them every day. I am a creative and resourceful being, finding solutions and opportunities even in challenging situations. I am connected to the infinite wisdom of the universe, receiving guidance and inspiration whenever I need it. I am worthy of expressing my authentic self, sharing my voice and creativity with the world. I am a beacon of light, radiating love and positivity to everyone I encounter. I am filled with gratitude for the present moment, savoring the beauty and joy that surrounds me. I am a powerful manifester, creating the life of my dreams through my thoughts, beliefs, and actions. I am constantly learning and growing, embracing new experiences and challenges with an open mind. I am a valuable contributor to the world, making a positive impact through my unique gifts and talents. I am a channel for healing energy, both for myself and others, promoting well-being and harmony. I am a fearless explorer of my inner world, discovering new depths of self-love and understanding. I am worthy of receiving all the blessings that life has to offer, opening myself to abundance and grace. I am a co-creator of my reality, shaping my life with intention and purpose. I am a source of inspiration for others, leading by example and sharing my light. I am a magnet for miracles, attracting synchronicities and serendipitous events into my life. I am a resilient being, bouncing back from setbacks with even greater strength and determination. I am a compassionate listener, offering empathy and support to those who need it. I am a wise and intuitive soul, trusting my inner guidance to lead me on the right path. I am a playful and joyful spirit, embracing laughter and lightness in my life. I am a generous and giving person, sharing my love and resources with others. I am a student of life, always eager to learn and expand my knowledge and understanding. I am a dreamer and a visionary, creating a beautiful future for myself and the world. I am a powerful force for good, using my influence to make a positive difference. I am a divine being, connected to the source of all creation and filled with infinite potential. I am a masterpiece in progress, constantly evolving and becoming the best version of myself. Carry these affirmations with you throughout your day, allowing them to empower and uplift you. Believe in your ability to heal, to grow, and to love yourself unconditionally. If you found this meditation helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support this channel and spread the message of self-love.